Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledger from journal entries. Start by gathering your journal and sorting entries by account name. Post each debit and credit to the corresponding ledger account, keeping dates and references. Balance each account after posting, carry forward totals, and prepare a trial balance to confirm debits equal credits. Use consistent labels and checklists to avoid posting errors and maintain clear audit trails. Begin by selecting one account and finding all related journal entries to post. Enter the date, reference, and amount, placing debits on the left and credits on the right. After posting the items, calculate running balances and note any adjustments or corrections. Repeat systematically for each account until all journal entries are posted. Finally, review totals and ensure every ledger line can be traced back to a journal source. After posting all entries, total each ledger account and compute final balances to verify accuracy. Create a trial balance by listing ending balances and summing debits and credits to ensure they match. If totals differ, trace differences to specific postings by checking dates, amounts, and references. Make correcting journal entries with clear explanations, then repost the adjustments. Regular reconciliations, keep records reliable, and simplify financial reporting for stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.